service hall or something at the Falk building at UPMC Presbyterian in Oakland, Pittsburgh. These are 70s Westinghouse with the same call button as the Cathedral. Well, only on the call button out here, unfortunately. But we'll see what they got on the inside. Just slap them on though. They're on the original controllers and the original cab. They're probably gonna paint up at some point. And I got Schindler with Survivor in the inside. Go up to 6, 7's locked. Adam's replica Survivor. Here we go. Let's see, I guess it's like Falk Clinic or something. I don't know. Kind of slow. Just to slap on with though. It smell looks fairly recent. I wonder if these were original before. Those are cross brands like GAL. Here at 6. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Back down to 1. 88 from. Hit. Basic old Westinghouse cabinet. It smells kind of musty because it's old. Code blue EPCO. Not a button, just a light. White LEDs, so you have failures. And here's the other one. They have rubber band door operators. Here at 1. Ooh. Interesting. And I think it stays open or something, or it may close if someone's called it. Okay, that's it.